Stop wasting money on things that lose value. Today, I'll show you one simple financial move that could quietly build real wealth over time. Most people never notice this opportunity, but the smart ones do. A few years ago, I started paying attention to growing neighborhoods instead of expensive luxuries. That simple mindset changed everything. Instead of buying things that lose value, I looked for land in areas where new roads, businesses, and families were moving in. As those communities grew, property values slowly climbed. The increase wasn't overnight, but it was steady and powerful. While others kept spending on things that became worthless, smart investors were quietly building long-term wealth. The biggest lesson wasn't having more money. It was making smarter financial decisions before everyone else noticed the opportunity. Every successful investment starts with research. Study the location, future development plans, and long-term demand before making any decision. Patience is where real wealth is created.
Consistency matters more than starting with a lot of money. Making small progress daily produces massive results. Consistency beats luck. Consistency beats luck.
Bigger results than chasing quick profits or risky trends. If you want financial freedom, start thinking like an investor instead of a spender.
Your future starts with one smart decision.